In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the host cache in Chrome's DNS cache. Sometimes websites don't load correctly. Changes to a domain don't seem to take effect. Or you keep getting errors even though your internet connection is fine. One common cause of this is outdated DNS information stored by your browser. Chrome keeps its own internal DNS cache to help pages load faster. But when that information becomes stale or corrupted, it can cause problems. Clearing the host cache forces Chrome to forget that old data and look it up again fresh. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. This process is the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as long as you're using the Chrome browser. Make sure you don't have anything super important in progress, because we'll be refreshing some network information that might briefly affect your open tabs. Now, instead of going into the regular settings menu, we're going to use one of Chrome's internal pages. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser, where you usually type website addresses. Delete anything that's already there, and type in the special Chrome URL that opens the DNS settings page. Once you've typed it, press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's internal DNS diagnostics page. It doesn't look like a normal website, and that's totally fine. You might see some technical information here, like a list of host names and status messages. What we're interested in is the option that lets us clear the host cache. On this page, look for a button labeled Clear Host Cache. It's usually located near the top or in the main content area of the page. Take a moment to make sure you've found the right button, because this is what actually flushes Chrome's internal DNS cache. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click Clear Host Cache. When you click this button, Chrome wipes the stored DNS entries it has saved. You might not see a big confirmation message, but in the background, that cache has been reset. Some people like to click it a couple of times just to be sure, and that's harmless. After clearing the host cache, it's a good idea to close any problematic tabs and open them again, or even restart Chrome entirely. The next time you visit a website, Chrome will look up the DNS information again from scratch, which often resolves issues like sites not loading, incorrect redirects, or strange connection errors. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared the host cache in Chrome's DNS cache, giving your browser a clean slate to work with.